Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making sausage and cream cheese stuffed crescent rolls. For this easy recipe, we need 2 packages of crescent rolls, and we need 1 pound of cooked browned ground sausage. So I already cooked and browned in the frying pan before making this video. And we need 1 block of cream cheese, 8 ounces. And either soften it at room temperature or just microwave it for 30 seconds to soften. So before making this video, I microwave it just so it mixes more easily. And we also need to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which I did before making the video. So now let's mix 1 pound of cooked sausage with 8 ounce block of softened cream cheese. And this is going to be a filling for crescent rolls. So I'm just going to mix it together. So now I've prepared the filling, and I'm going to open a can of crescent rolls. Now separate it. So now I'm going to divide the filling between them, and I have another package, so now I need half of the filling for these. So just divide it between them. And now roll them up. And put them on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. And now we're going to repeat with the other can of crescent rolls. all done. Now the crescent rolls are assembled and we'll put it in the oven. So let's take them and put it in a preheated 375 degrees oven. Now they've been baking for 20 minutes, so let's take a look. They're ready. They look amazing. Now let's let them cool down for 5 minutes and then we'll try them. Look at these amazing sausage cream cheese crescent rolls. They make a perfect breakfast. You'll love them. They look so good. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. Let me just show you. Look at that, perfectly cooked with a hot, delicious filling. Now let's try it. They taste amazing. Taste as good as it looks. You will love it. And it was so easy to make. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!